Warning. And the only time that you may laugh or giggle is just at my pure insanity and my anger. I'm sorry, I'm even just too annoyed to do my usual intro. I just can't fake it, and I apologize. Like, oh hey, like, no! Caitlin is annoyed, and you know what? I'm at this point where, like, I feel like, have you ever been way past the point of annoyed? Where you just laugh, like, you're just laughing from anger. If this is the first time you've seen my face, and this is the first video you've jumped into, I am so sorry, but hey, if you would like to stick around, I make 3 videos every week all about luxury and designer items, and it's usually, for the most part, a great damn time. So if you too have a serious love and obsession for designer items, I'd really love it if you would hit that subscribe button and ring my bell, because I do make videos 3 times a week for you. Let's get into it. So here she is, the Palm Springs Mini, still with her original FASHIONPHILE tags. So look, this story's gonna get messy. Okay, we all know it wouldn't be a Caitlin video if it didn't get a little bit weird and freaky. There's a lot of people and characters in this story, which is why I have got my face painting heads. Yeah, we're going there. This is Louis Vuitton and this is FASHIONPHILE. I don't know how long I'll be using these for, because it might just get too weird, like. And look, this is something I didn't share with you because I was too scared, but I feel like, you know what, we're all friends here, okay? I feel like you're not going to judge me, and if you do, you know what, I probably deserve it. But, you know, in desperate times, we do desperate things. Stop disclaiming and rambling, Caitlin. On top of the $50 that I paid for shipping, sorry, the $45.45, I paid, I didn't tell you this because I felt like an idiot. And I thought it was going to work out. And this is why, okay, shut up. I paid $448.51 Australian to customs and import taxes. Here comes the psycho laugh. Okay, now look, I'm going to throw all of the emails up onto the screen. Feel free to pause this video and read the emails so you can, like, keep up with what's going on. My encounter with FASHIONPHILE. Not the best. Now, here was my other head. I feel like these heads are useless, but it just, come on. It adds some spice to the video. So, oh, Louis Vuitton. I went into 3 stores in Melbourne, and I'm so confused because I have so many different, I've just received so many different opinions. So the first time I was told on the phone with customer service that I was able to have this bag fixed at a fee. I then went into the Collins Street store to double check, and I spoke to somebody and they also said that I could have the bag fixed even if it's, you know, even if it's not from Louis Vuitton. Even if I did buy it from a third party, I could still have it fixed. I then went into the Crown Melbourne store in Crown Towers, and that's where I was just like, what's going on? So I spoke to somebody and she actually told me that customer service should not have told me that, and because I have no record at all on my account, I have no receipt, I have no record of this, even if it is a genuine item, she told me that there's nothing she can do. They only fix items for people who have purchased the items and it's on their account. And I was walking out the door, and then the manager ran up to me as I was leaving and told me that pretty much what my SA had told me about the bag. Okay, this is where it's gonna make no sense. If you haven't seen the other video, please click up there. When I had the first Palm Springs Mini debacle, what the SA had told me about not to get the bag, because if something happened with another Palm Springs Mini, Louis Vuitton couldn't help me and there was nothing that could be done, and that they would not help me if anything went wrong. But the manager told me that that is absolute BS. He also told me that they would fix it for a fee, but it would take 12 to 13 weeks to have it fixed. And any other issues I have with it, I'll have to pay a fee. Whereas if I bought directly from the store, they would always assist me with issues. And they also say they get them in quite regularly. So he said, if you can send this back, you know, we'll keep in touch with you and hopefully we can get your bag. But again, you know, I want to believe and I want to trust him. I still haven't heard from him, but I don't know how easy that would be and how if I'll even get a bag from them. And then this is the other opinion. See, there's just so many opinions. Louis, why? So the final opinion came from another SA via text message. I sent her the photos of the issue and she replied back with, yeah, we can fix it free of charge, just this once. So I'm like, who do I believe? The SA that told me she could fix it free of charge this time, however it still would take 12-13 weeks, is in Cairns. And side note, I'm actually going to Cairns for New Year's Eve and I'm so excited. I'm gonna take you with me. Let's go on a single girls trip. I'm going with my best friend. We are both single. Even if you're not single, come along for the journey, okay? I'm gonna be vlogging. We're gonna be snorkeling the Great Barrier Reef. We're gonna be going out to shake her rumps. We're gonna be going on sunset cruises. We're gonna be drinking cocktails. We're hopefully gonna be hanging out with some cuties. So basically my options are A, send it back to FASHIONPHILE and just be forever annoyed with their customer service. I mean, they might even get back to me about the $500, but I highly doubt it.
So there is an update. FASHIONPHILE did send me this email, and to be completely honest, I don't think this is something I really feel comfortable accepting either, because, you know, at the end of the day, it's just going to be more money in their pocket, and I just haven't been very happy with their service. $250 to spend with them, and what if I pick up another product that they fail to mention there is a fault on, and then I end up paying even more custom and import fees. So gosh guys, I don't think I'll be shopping with them anytime soon, if not ever again.
Option B is to bring it to Cairns with me, and on the last day part ways with it, give it to the SA. They said she said that she'll fix it free of charge. Don't know how credible that will stand, because like I said, I've gotten opinions from like everyone. But leave it with her, get it fixed for free that one time, expect it back in 12 to 13 weeks, and hope to dear God that it never ever has another issue again. Or option C, which is something else. If you have another solution or possible resolution to this dilemma, please leave it in the comments down below, because I would so heavily appreciate that. Thank you so much for your patience. Thank you so much if you watched this video. I know that it may have been a boring one, considering my videos aren't usually this boring, but I hope that this was somewhat entertaining or interesting for you. And all I have to say is, please, buyer beware. Buyer beware. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video, and I'll see you in my next one.
Bye.